By today's recall. Let's take a look at some of those tweets. Vuisile tweeting saying, wondering whether manufacturers of Dettol and Domestos are going to reimburse any of their clients. Tandeka tweeting, so basically we've been wasting rands on Dettol liquids and Domestos. I want a refund. Faith saying, and then what's happening with Dettol and Domestos to think that I use both? They better not have anything to do with my hair loss. Steve saying, Dettol and Domestos are failing us. I guess it's time to give another brand a chance. And Cananello saying, Dettol and Domestos have been recalled for not meeting the regulatory standards. Savlon and no-name brands must be celebrating.